Hey everyone, this is Tech and welcome back to the channel. So today I came up with another useful video for all of you guys. So in today's video I will show you how you can transfer your WhatsApp data from your old iPhone or a old Android phone to the new iPhone or a new Android phone, including all the chats, photos, videos, like everything that you have on your WhatsApp. You can easily transfer it. This tool is very helpful in that situation if you bought a new phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, and you want to switch all your WhatsApp data to the new iPhone or a new Android phone. You can easily use this tool without any issues and transfer all your data. So I will show you the complete process, like how you can do that. And also there is a surprise giveaway hosted in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to know more about the giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and show you the complete process. Alright, now for all this process we will use the tool from Tenorshare.com, and the name of the tool is iCareFone WhatsApp Transfer Backup and Restore. It's a complete management and multi-directional tool that can allow you to back up all your WhatsApp data from your old iPhone or Android phone to the new phone very easily. So just check out the description link to know more about the tool and the download. This tool is available for both Windows and macOS, so you can easily run it. Now once the installation is completed, just click on start, and here you will see the Tenorshare iCareFone. You can use any social media app to transfer your data, whether it's a WhatsApp, Line, Kick, Chat, Viber and other stuff. So you can transfer it according to your need. So I'm selecting the WhatsApp because I want to transfer my old Android phone data to the new iPhone. So now you will get so many options like transfer between the two devices, like whether it's a iPhone or Android to the iPhone, or you want to take backup of your iPhone data or a Android data of your WhatsApp chat history, including messages, media files and other. And you can also import the data backup if you have already made. So it's very useful and convenient. You can use any customized option according to that. Now you just need to connect both the devices. So I will transfer my Android data to the iPhone. So first I will connect the Android device. Now the next you have to connect the iPhone. So now the both devices connected, you can switch between both these devices and you can see your device name also. If you want to take the backup of these devices WhatsApp data to the computer, you can easily do it. Just select your model and click on backup. It will complete backup your WhatsApp data to the computer, or you can also restore it to the tool from the computer. Now everything is set, just click on transfer. On the first time you need to allow the developer option on your Android device so that it will transfer your data between the Android to the iPhone. So just go to the settings about section. After that click on the build number for the 2 to 5 times and it will allow the developer option. Then you can easily turn it on, and after that click on transfer and it will start transferring all your data from the old iPhone or a old Android phone to the new iPhone or a new Android phone. Now it will take time according to your WhatsApp data backup size. Once it get done, you need to verify your WhatsApp account in the new iPhone. So you can select your country and enter your mobile number you want to transfer. So you need to enter the same number in that you have created the WhatsApp backup. After that it will deregister your old iPhone, and then it will transfer all your data to the new iPhone, and then you can proceed further to the restoring part. After that your device will be getting into the restore stage and it will reboot the device and showing you the Apple logo, and after that it will complete the restore. So make sure that you do not disconnect your device until it get complete. So once everything is set, your device will be turned on and you will see the transfer is successful, and after that you can use your device, and this time you will see your old WhatsApp data is completely restored to the new device, and it will directly deregister from your old iPhone and re-sign into the new iPhone with all the contacts, media and messages. So you can get all your chats, WhatsApp and everything will set in the new device automatically. So this is how you can use the Tenorshare iCareFone and transfer all your WhatsApp data for the old phone to the new phone very easily. So if you are interested in this tool, you can check out the description link for the complete information. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I'm giving the 5 free license key of the Tenorshare iCareFone for completely free. All you need to do is you need to confirm all the entries displaying on the screen, or check the description link to confirm it. And there are several giveaways running on the channel, so I will give links in the description. You can participate on that too. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.